What's the word, y'all boys? I'm coming at y'all with a nighttime POV drive. I'm trying to record this content the best way I possibly can. I gotta record it at a certain angle because if I zoom the camera too far back, it's gonna fuck up the way the ambient lighting look. You know what I'm saying? And I don't want that to happen. You feel me? I want y'all to see the light and everything, and you know, see the effects of it. You know, things like that. I feel like lowering my brightness in my car could also help with that too. But yeah, this is just like a little nighttime POV drive. With the ambient lighting and stuff like that I added to the car. I feel like I did a real good job. I made it look as OEM as possible. You know, I control it through the same thing. I have put the lights on my floor. It's the same app that I use and things like that. You know what I'm saying? So it feel real awkward me recording like this, but it's cool though. You know what I'm saying? Whatever give a good angle. You know what I'm saying? I am gonna have like some manual clips of when my sister was recording. If y'all don't know, I do have a 2013. You know what I'm saying? Don't ask how I got my interior to look like this. It's just no Mopar. You know what I'm saying? Give a good little pull right here. In this regular mode. Yes, sir. I'm just cruising. You know what I'm saying? Don't mind my squeaking dash. That's cheap. That's Dodge for you, Chrysler. You know what I'm saying? But all in all, you know what I'm saying? It's pretty good. You know what I'm saying? Like everything been good. You know what I'm saying? This one of like my last interior mods I'm gonna do with this car. The only thing left is the Apple CarPlay on the screen and the bucket seats. That's all that's left, and I need to get some more floor mats. You know. But other than that, you know, everything is pretty good. Like this how it look when I zoom it out. Like I don't know, like if y'all can really still see the ambient lighting and stuff like that. But yeah, this how it look though. But basically, just to give y'all a little chat, a little motivational speech. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could do whatever you want to do in life. You know what I'm saying? And yeah, you might not be exactly where you want to be at necessarily. You know what I'm saying, in life. But at the end of the day, you got to take baby steps. You know what I'm saying? Like, of course I want a Scat Pack. Of course I want a Hellcat. But for this to be my first car at 18 years old, you know what I'm saying? And for me to still be able to maintain it, and for me to still be able to live my life and be able to, you know, do what I do, that's just, that let alone is a blessing. You know what I'm saying? It's still a V8, it's still a Mopar, still a 300. You know what I'm saying? It look pretty, it sound good. So you just got to learn how to be grateful at certain things in life. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm just trying to get this content. You feel me? For real, that's all I'm trying to do. Finna pull up on a friend real quick to drop them off something that they had left in my whip. Yeah, but I even got it going down just like that. I'll put it in sport for y'all. That sounded good. I wish I would have had the windows rolled down. I need to turn the high beams on. leaving for where my destination. I'm on my way back to the crib. I ain't gonna be doing too much talking. That was towards the beginning of the video. Now I kind of just want to give y'all, you know what I'm saying, give y'all some sound. A little bit of manual. Alright, y'all, it ain't really too much more to see, you know what I'm saying, until I get to my next destination. You feel me? I hope y'all enjoyed this little POV drive. It's a red light right here. Maybe I could give y'all one last good pull, you know what I'm saying, until I hit the crib.